So I made my hair mask. I'm just going to pour this in a bowl because I cook, like I blend my smoothies with this, so I'm not going to be dipping my hairy hands up in this. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in a bowl.
Matter of fact, you should take 4B and think before you fuck with little skateboard P.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. And if a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean Don and I'm roll this weed cause I got it going on. I'm a gangster, but y'all knew that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a blue flag hanging on my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the crib side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much you thought I was a DJ. 2, yippee, 1, yep, 3. SC and double OP, Ego double G. I can't fake it, just break it. And when I take it, see, I specialize in making all the girls get naked. So bring your friends, all of y'all come inside. We got a world premiere right here, now get lost. So don't change the diesel.
Let me put it on camera. So y'all, I just did one side of my hair, and when I say moisturize AF, like I didn't even do this for 5 minutes. I did it for maybe 2 to 3, and your girl looked like she just got out the shower for about an hour. Stiff what? Yeah, this it. Also, if y'all like my hair, this is a wash and go. Yes, honey. She's washing and going. So yeah, this is her. If y'all want a tutorial, make sure y'all go ahead and leave the comment below. Give me the shower head emoji if y'all want to see my hair and how I do it and whatever. Now let's go ahead and get back into it.